welcome back to Car Review. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the return of an American icon, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28. With a name that resonates through the annals of automotive history, the Z/28 has always represented the pinnacle of Chevy's performance engineering, and this latest iteration does not disappoint. Chevrolet has once again crafted a machine that marries raw power with refined engineering, aimed squarely at the enthusiast who seeks nothing less than perfection on the track and thrill on the open road. Under the hood, the 2025 Camaro Z/28 features a powertrain that's nothing short of monstrous. Equipped with a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, it boasts an astounding output of over 500 horsepower, giving this machine the power to surge forward with blistering speed and heart-pounding torque. What makes this even more remarkable is the Z/28's lightweight design, as Chevrolet has utilized high-strength materials throughout the body to reduce weight, enhancing both agility and responsiveness. The Z/28 isn't just about brute strength, though. Chevrolet has equipped it with advanced aerodynamics, including a bold front splitter, rear wing, and underbody airflow enhancements, all designed to glue this car to the road at high speeds. Whether attacking sharp corners or flying down the straights, this Camaro stays firmly planted, giving drivers a sense of connection and control that's simply exhilarating. And with its enhanced suspension system, designed for maximum stability and precision, it's a car that feels as much at home on the track as it does cruising down a mountain road. In the 2025 Camaro Z/28, Chevrolet has crafted a masterpiece, a car that not only pays homage to its heritage, but also pushes the boundaries of modern performance engineering. It's a car that calls out to the true enthusiast, inviting them to experience the thrill of unadulterated American muscle, refined and ready for the modern era. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more exciting car reviews and content. See you next time.